Here's the before. As you can see, it's still really dimensional. It is still very grown out, but a softer transition and a little more lightness on the end. Hey everyone, Tauni here. Today I'm going to show you how to get lazy lights, which is the newest trend for blondes, brunettes, anyone wanting to be low maintenance but kind of zhuzh up their color a little bit. We're working off the root, so there's little to no maintenance depending on what your client's wanting. Let's go take a look. This is my model Michaela. As you can see, her roots are really grown out and she has a little bit of sun-kissed on her ends. We are going to pick up a deeper weave. I'm going to do a light back combing just to help any lines of demarcation. Here I am adding the lightener to the foil. I like to do long foils and pancake them to ensure no creasing in the lightener and get even lift. Now we are looking at the placement here. So as you can see, it's all on the tips, and we're gonna tone her all over with a level 8 ash gloss. And here we go. Let's see, here's the before and after. As you can see, it's still really dimensional. It is still very grown out, but a softer transition and a little more lightness on the ends. Nice movement, and we will not need to see her for quite some time.